Okay, so the owner or director of your school checked off on their eligibility application, this one here, that your school would be participating in the upskilling portion of the ARPA grant. That means that the director, the owner, anybody who works at the school may now go in to this course individually and apply for upskilling. This is the portion of the grant last time that was these training plans, the whole school had to participate, etc., etc. In this case, it's been modified so that each person will choose their own training plans that they're going to participate in. They'll download that application from files and then fill it out and upload it here. Just in case, there's a place to upload each individual's W-9 direct deposit bank documentation and attestation of employment in case something has changed. If you have switched employment, these can be added in here. Or if somebody gets married or changes their bank account, those files, these are available but may not be necessary. But the application is, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So the upskilling application looks like this, and it's very similar to the provider eligibility application. It's one where there are checkboxes. If you want to participate in any one of these trainings, you can check them off. You want to participate in the mental health training track, then you will click here and you're going to pick one or any of these for a $600 bonus upon completion. Each one of these that you clicked will be a series of courses that you need to take in the Talent LMS catalog and through other providers. But this time there's going to be a little less confusion. All of those courses that you saw here in our catalog, these are in here, these are not showing in the catalog, most of them. These will be assigned to you based upon what you choose in your upskilling bonus application. So if you check that you want to participate in the class bonus because you're taking class training, if you check you want to take MMCI and get reimbursed for that, and maybe you want to participate in the Leadership Academy, you'll be assigned to those 3 courses, and they will walk you through the amount of training hours and each step that you must take to get reimbursed for that particular portion of the grant. And then this is very simple. This is you, right? And the amount requested, you're just going to add these up, $600 for each training plan, and then your attestation, etc. And that is how you apply to join a training plan. Now, just as an example, I'm going to go in and show you what one of them might look like. If you had clicked that you want to be part of the class bonus for pre-K, that's this one here. And you'll see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different aspects of training where you must take the training and upload proof that you completed it. Once you've uploaded your final proof that you took the final set of trainings, then you'll have earned those bonuses for this one checkbox on the upskilling. That's this one here. So you'll get your $600 after you've completed this training plan. And again, that will be auto-assigned to you by the person approving your application so that there's no confusion this time through where people are seeing a whole bunch of training plans and not sure which trainings they have to be in for which part of the grant. And that is the ARPA Upskilling application.